Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to search for a word in Google Docs. So I have a Google Docs right here open, and all you need to do is come here at the top panel. You'll see this edit icon, okay? And then I want you to click on find and replace. If you don't see this icon, usually the reason is it basically is in full screen mode. So all you need to do is press the escape button on your keyboard to get out of that, to get these options. So come here to edit, click on find and replace. So let's say we're searching for a deep sea or just deep, since we want maybe one word. Then go ahead and click on next. You see all the words that have deep. Okay, so there's 43 of them. Another thing you can do is press Control and F on your keyboard to find it. This is the best way. So I'll just go ahead and type in a deep, and here we can see 43, and I just press the arrow key to move between them, right? And it's really that easy and simple.